Welcome guys, so today I am with OPPO A96 and I want to show you a few camera tricks. So we are going to quickly start from this 50 megapixel mode that you can find in displays. Tap on these two dots, go for the 50 megapixel mode, turn it on, and let's make a small comparison. So I'm going to show you how quickly improve the quality of your photos. Right now let's turn it off and let's make comparison with the normal mode. Okay, so this photo, this first photo was taken with the normal mode and it looks like that. Not bad, right? When we take a look, for example, on the details on this old cell phone keyboard. But let's go for this 50 megapixel mode that you will find right here. As you can see, definitely more details when you take a look on the keyboard, and we can also zoom in much closer. One more time. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so let's move forward. Right now we can focus on a few cool settings that we can find right here in the main settings. So for example, you can change the volume button function. Currently when you press on the volume up or down, you can take photo, take a look, but you can also use them as a zoom feature. So go for the volume button action, switch to the zoom, and take a look right now. With volume up you can zoom in to the 10 times, and with the volume down you can zoom out. Another hidden feature of this phone, it's a link with the shutter. So normally you can take photo like that, but when you click and hold, as you can see, you can take series of the photos. When you open this gallery and tap on this icon, let me just rotate the screen. Okay, it's enabled, but it's not working on this bird shot, so we have to hold the phone like that. As you can see, that's the preview of the bird shot that we take. It looks like very short video. Right now we can pick each photo. Let's select 3, click on this switcher in the right upper corner, and we can keep only these 3 selected photos, and there are the photos. Okay, right now we can go for the more modes. As you can see right here, we can find very cool option. It's Pro mode. So with the Pro mode we can adjust a few parameters manually, and when you tap on this information icon you will get a great description of each feature, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So for example, you can try to use the ISO, and with the ISO we can make our photo like more brighter. I mean, it looks definitely better when you set up, for example, the shutter speed. So you will go for the very quick shutter like that, and as you can see it's too dark, so we can increase brightness by moving this ISO, but also we can use the exposure compensation. Just like that. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.